done with Craig 3D Printing Space. Many of you have asked me, because I talk about food quite a lot, how I cook my ribs. So I'm going to show you. First, preset the oven to 300 degrees. Then, let's move on to the meat. Take your knife, open your ribs. You're going to need heavy-duty aluminum foil and whatever seasonings you like for your ribs. Alright, once you've drained off all blood, take your knife. What you do, you find the bone, you just make a little incision. And you want to go all the way down the edge of the bone. Just like that. Alright, once you've done that, get a little bit of this excess blood off here. Take a little bit of salt and coat the back. This will help pull out moisture out of the silver skin, and I always give it a little bit of pepper on this side. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to flip it, and we're going to season it with salt, black pepper. I like cumin, so we're using cumin today. And then this is a local spice. I know you can get it a lot of places, but the Fat Boy Sweet Rub, one of my favorites. And there you go. Now typically what I would do is I would wrap this in parchment first, but I'm actually out of parchment paper right now. But regular heavy duty foil will do. So center your ribs in the middle of your foil. And you fold up. What we're going to do, we're just going to make a packet. So fold it over, make sure it's smooth. The end, fold over once, twice, make sure it's sealed, and bring it up. Same thing opposite side. Alright, take a big baking pan, stick your packet of ribs on there. And once it's preheated, what we're going to do is we're going to take this, set the timer for 3 hours. Alrighty, 3 hours set. Stick them in there. And we'll check back here shortly. Go find something to do. Seriously, I'll be back. I promise. It'll be quick. Don't worry. It's going to happen. Stop panicking. All right? We'll catch you in a bit. 3 hours later. Pull your ribs out of the oven. Get them opened up and get prepared. Be careful, because those bones are going to come right out. Yummy.